Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download iOS 18.4 beta 2 in your any iPhone. So if you are on iOS 18.3.1, I'll show you how you can install 18.4 developer beta 2. So as you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 13 Pro and it's running on iOS 18.3.1. In order to update iOS 18.4 but developer beta 2, you have to follow this video. So first of all, let me show you from the beginning. So open new tab and search here applebeta.com, or either you can just go with Apple Beta. So now hit on first website, Apple Beta software program. Swipe up to the sign up button here, and it will ask for your Apple ID account, and make sure you sign up with Face ID or sign up with passcode. So I'm done with it. There you go. Swipe all the way down and you will see enroll your iOS device. Hit on that, swipe up again, open beta updates, and now it will redirect you to the settings page. So what it will do, you have to click on iOS 18 developer beta. That's it. That's the whole simple key. You have to do it, and you will see iOS 18.4 beta 2. So by the time I'm uploading this video, this is the latest version, but if you are watching this video after a month, probably you will see any other beta software update. So this was the trick how you can update faster. So make sure you know this. You have to back up your iPhone before installing, because this is the developer beta, so you may lose your data. So make sure you back up your phone, and this software can have a lot of bugs because it's in the beta stages now. So make sure you know all these disclaimers and then go ahead with it. So that was the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.